Before going other topic, I want to mention autocorrect, or better to say autocomplete, about horizontal line. To make a horizontal line, you could click on the border and use horizontal line. And of course, after making, you could select it and change the format. But instead of that, as I mentioned before, if you type triple dash and enter or return key, you have simple horizontal line separation. Also, you could use some other characters like triple equal, triple star, triple underline for making a thicker line, triple hashtag, and finally triple tilde key, which it is usually above a tab key, and it is left side of number 1. So with these, you could simply make different types of horizontal lines. Again, to not confuse, this is dash, this is equal, this is a star, this is underline, this is hashtag or number sign, and this is tilde key.